Welcome back to Morley's Market Update. I'm Peter Morley, and today we're looking at the Q4 2025 New Providence Market Update. And this one is important because while pricing is still holding strong, we're seeing clear signs that buyer activity has cooled a bit compared to earlier in the year. If you'd like to view the full report, it will be linked down below. New Providence homes had a steady quarter, but the market is definitely starting to feel more selective. New listings increased, up about 16% year over year and up strongly from last quarter, so inventory has grown again. But demand slowed. Contracted sales were down nearly 10% year over year and down over 30% from Q3, which is a big signal that buyers are moving more cautiously. Completed sales also fell, down about 18% year over year, but slightly higher than last quarter. So, closings are still happening, just at a slower pace overall. Prices remained elevated. The average sales price came in at about $1.41 million, up 47% year over year, although slightly down from Q3. The median sales price was $600,000. Up both year over year and quarter over quarter, which shows strength in the core market. Homes also continued selling fairly quickly. Median days on the market came in at 77 days, which is just over 2 months, and that's still very healthy for New Providence. And the list to sale price ratio was 93.3%, which means sellers are still getting close to their asking price overall. Now, moving over to the land market, this quarter was another mixed one. New listings rose again, up year over year and quarter over quarter, which keeps options on the market for land buyers. But demand slowed down. Contracted sales were down about 29% year over year and down more than 40% from last quarter. Completed sales were also lower year over year, with over a 20% decline from both last year and last quarter. Prices shifted. The average land sales price was around $205,500, down year over year, but up slightly compared to Q3. And the median land sales price was $185,000, which increased quarter over quarter. But like the average, the median is also lower compared to last year. Land is still taking time to move, with median days on the market at 112 days, but this number continues to drop from the high at the start of the year. The list to sale price ratio improved to 95.8%, which is a very strong number, meaning sellers are holding prices well, even with slower demand. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep up with what's happening across the Bahamas real estate market, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. So overall, New Providence is still holding strong on pricing and homes are moving relatively quickly, but buyer demand has slowed compared to earlier in the year. And land activity has also cooled, but prices remain firm with strong list to sale performance. Thanks for watching Morley's Market Update, and I'll see you in the next one.